Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making whipped feta with garlic roasted tomatoes. This tasty snack or appetizer is best served with a crusty piece of bread, and it comes together so quickly. So let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. You'll want to preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop a couple of handfuls of cherry tomatoes along with a good drizzle of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, and a sprinkling of salt into a roasting tin.
Shimmy the tomatoes around in the olive oil so that they get nice and coated.
Then into our preheated oven.
Into the small bowl of the food processor goes 200 grams of feta broken into chunks, 2 tablespoons of runny honey for that salty sweetness, 2 tablespoons of olive oil which adds a richness, and the juice of 1 lemon, about 2 tablespoons. We're going to blitz that together until it's beautiful and creamy and smooth. So creamy, it almost looks like a cheesecake filling. This is ready for our topping. Pour your whipped feta onto a flat plate and try and smooth a little divot into the center. Our tomatoes have been in the oven for about 20 minutes and they've started to burst and become beautiful and soft and tender.
This recipe is completely customizable. You can do any sort of topping you like, whether it's roasted peppers, roasted courgettes, even roasted fig and walnut would be gorgeous. And don't skimp on the bread. Buy the best bread you can get. A French baguette would be beautiful, or even a gorgeous sourdough loaf.
Spoon your tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil over your whipped feta. Season with some cracked black pepper and a drizzle of honey, and dip in your favorite bread.
If you're a feta fanatic, check out my Jennifer Aniston salad here. And make sure to hit that subscribe button down here. And if you love this video, let me know down below what you'd like to see me make next. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.